How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find the least common multiple. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to watch more of my videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. So to find the least common multiple means to find the smallest number that two numbers divide. Alright, so next let's go to our least common multiple method. So public static int LCM, almost typed LCD, and int number 1, int number 2. And let's have a return statement just so our method can stop complaining. And then for our base case, we're going to have if number 1 is equal to 0, we return 0. If number 2 is equal to 0, we'll return 0. Now we're going to have an else statement. Inside our else, we're going to have a for loop that counts from 1 to number 1 times number 2. Then we're going to increment by 1. And the reason why I multiplied number 1 times number 2 so it can have at least a long enough list to find at least one multiple. So now inside our for loop, we're going to check if I can be divided by number 1 and number 2. If it is, then number 1, number 2's multiple is I. So we're going to have if I mod number 1 is equal to 0 and I mod number 2 is equal to 0. And if we do find a multiple, we're going to return I. So now let's go up to our main method and we're going to have an output statement that says least common multiple of, and let's try 12 and 16. So LCM, not D, of 12 and 16. Alright, let's test our code. Okay, the least common multiple of 12 and 16 is 48. So let's try 16 and 16. Let's change this to 16 and this to 16. Least common multiple of 2 16s is 16. Let's try 16 and 17. Yep, the least common multiple of 16 and 17 is 272. So if you found this video enjoyable, please leave a like below and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, also comment below. Alright, thank you for watching.